All right, so if there's something that you want to do in this life, do it. For me, I wanted to do real estate, okay? A lot of people told me I can't do it, but I wanted to do it, so I did it. I got my license, I became a realtor, and I'm my own boss now. If you want to become a tennis player, be a tennis player. If you want to be a basketball player, be a basketball player. And some people will say, or you will say to yourself, I'm not tall enough to be in the NBA or to be a basketball player or any of that. Well, find a way to be at least close to what you love to do, right? So if you want to be an NBA player and you're not tall enough, or whatever the reason may be, why don't you be a coach? Why don't you be an assistant coach? Why don't you be a water boy? Why don't you clean the floors? Why don't you be a ticket attendant for the NBA games? It doesn't matter. If you truly love that one thing that you want to do and you can't do it, at least be close to it. Okay? You will always find a way to do what you love or be close to what you love to do. Okay?